Dear students, as we mentioned yesterday that the SI unit of capacitance is coulomb upon volt or say farad. But farad is not practical unit. In practice we use microfarad, that is 10 raised to minus 6 farad, or nanofarad, that is 10 raised to minus 9 farad, or picofarad, that is 10 raised to minus 12 farad, can be said as microfarad, because micro 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6, that is 10 raised to minus 12. But why we cannot take 1 farad capacitance in practice? Okay, why 1 farad unit is so big in practice? Let us take an example. Okay, taking C as 1 farad, okay, and separation between two plates is 1 centimeter, that is 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Let us find out the area of the plates. Okay, so C equals to A epsilon naught upon D. So A will be equal to CD upon epsilon naught, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon epsilon naught, that is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. We can also take 8.854, okay, but it won't make big difference. Okay, so this 1 upon 8.85, okay, 1 divided by 8.85, that is 0.11299. If we take 1 divided by 8.854, then it will be 0.1129, so almost remains same. Okay, into this minus 12 power will be added here, so it is into 10 raised to 10 meters square. Now suppose both the plates are square having length small l. In that case, area can be taken as L square. So this is the value of L square. So I have to make square root of this, okay, 0.11299, square root of that will be 0.3361, but we can take 0.336, and square root of 10 raised to 10 is 10 raised to 5 meter. Okay, now this can be written as 33.6, okay, into 10 raised to 3 meter. But 10 raised to 3 can be considered as kilo. So 33.6 kilometer. See, if we want to prepare a capacitor of capacitance 1 farad, and if we want to use two square plates, okay, and if you want to put two plates at 1 centimeter distance, we have to take length of each plate 33 kilometers, which is not practical. Okay, so 1 farad is very big unit. So in practice we use microfarad, nanofarad, picofarad. Let us discuss another example. Okay, calculate capacitance of two plates of equal area of 1 meter square separated by 1 millimeter distance. Okay, this is practical value. Okay, so A equals to 1 meter square, D is 1 millimeter, that is 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, we can write C equals to A epsilon naught upon D. A is 1, epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12, divided by D. D is 1 millimeter, so we can write 10 raised to minus 3. So this 10 raised to minus 3 power will be added here. So it will become 10 raised to minus 9. So 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 9 farad. Okay, so we can write 8.85 nanofarad. So this is practical unit, nanofarad. Okay, bye. Take screenshot.